Respected Honorable Speaker and the Honorable Minister and the CEO of the Niti Aayog, Honorable Members of Parliament and Honorable Members of Legislative Assembly. I thank my Honorable Speaker for giving this opportunity to preside over this plenary session. And it is given the opportunity to hear so many valuable points given by the Niti Aayog CEO and also our Honorable Minister also. He is a minister for not only railways once and also commerce, and also he is interested water resources. Vajpayee government is so keen on that, linking the rivers for that work. That is why he focused on the water thing also, what we are facing. There are so many points they raised, especially resources, how to utilize that. When we are utilizing resources for the development, at the same time, whatever we created assets, how we are utilizing. For example, the education, you said education, how we developed. So many, we are lakhs of crores are investing to create buildings for the schools and colleges, so many things. Are we utilizing properly? That is the question. Because the class starts near 10 o'clock, then it will be end 4 o'clock. Then afterwards, what that assets we are using? Therefore, that assets we have to use it, conducting some kind of distance education program, other program. It will utilize that resources what we have created. We have created the assets for the society and for the country. We have to properly utilize and give the education also and other skill development program also Prime Minister said it has to develop. Those things can be run in the schools and colleges after the classes are over. Because even the schools, high schools and CBS, whatever the school, they have good labs and good other facilities. We have to utilize properly. That is one thing. And also regarding our legislators' role, our minister also said, we have to make the law and also policy making. That is our duty. Especially for the parliament members, MPs, that is our prime duty. Even legislators are doing there. But what the people are expecting different. In the election, if you go and meet the people, what you have done for the constituency, what you have done. See, whatever even the councillors are doing, that are expecting from MLA and MP also. That is then how it is. Otherwise, we cannot satisfy. Elections are taken different places, different times. Lok Sabha election sometime, then that assembly election different time, and panchayat election different time, local body elections. At that time, whenever we are going, first councillors, they are facing the election, means the prime duty is to see the so many sanitation facilities, local, whatever they have to give. Then MLAs also in election, they are expecting from them. Even the MPs also, when we are going election, what you have done? See, the roads are not good, the water is not available, light is not, these are the questions you are asking. Therefore, whatever the resource available, we have to do it. And people are expecting from legislators and parliament members, we have to do for the development of the constituency. That is the project. That is why we are discussing here. Honorable Speaker given the opportunity that sustained development goal, that is very, very important. That development we are concentrating, people will be happy. That is our prime duty. Not only making a legislation and policy making, apart from the implementation of the program, how that area developed. That is sustaining development. Not only that, that is the concept. That is why our Madam Speaker has organized the program, what we have to play role. And Madam, that is, you know very well, especially prime duty of the legislators and even for MPs, we are the rulers now. Once the Rajas, kings are ruled, now the duty has given to us. People are given to us, the democratic country. Therefore, prime duty is maintaining law and order. And also see that to protect the valuables of the citizens and their lives, that is more important. Therefore, that has to be given more importance. Then only development will be there. We want a law and order situation. And also the pollution is the other thing. Whatever, regarding water. The water we are having certain things. Nowadays, as he said, Punjabi quoted, because he want a power, then from power mill we can take the water. Then power means once again the pollution comes because of generating the electricity. That is coming because of the coal. See, because of the climate change, we are not, India is not able to get proper rain, especially south. South, we are not able to get sufficient rain. We are not able to even get the drinking water problem we are facing. Even not only major city, rural area also. Because the water is not available, rain is because of lack of rain. These are the things we are facing that. Therefore, and also our CEO explained so many schemes after independence, more or less 70 years over, still so many places the education is very poor, health is poor, and also the doctors not available. So many things said. That is what is going on. Therefore, it is very, very important whatever Niti Aayog have given some many points, which will be helpful for all of us to concentrate how to develop, sustain development throughout the country. That is very important. So I am sure that because we are going to have some more sessions in the afternoon also, tomorrow also, we are going to get the opportunity. There are so many inputs, so many members have come over. Based on the experience, they are going to explain their experience and also programs, what they are going to implement, and also what the governments are doing. There are really so many factors we are going to And also, anyhow, because I don't want to make much time, my is only presiding over. Because as speakers, we are not supposed to take more time to speak and think our duty is pain. Namesake that speaker, deputy speaker, we are not able to speak. That is our position. What is it? Because there may be so many people, speakers also, legislative assembly speakers would have come. Therefore, I want to restrict myself not to make much time. I hope this conference is going to help all of you. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to speak. Thank you.